Alright, so for the shackles when they're flipped, the left shackle is the correct position, the shackle to the right is the incorrect position. When you have this problem, the front axle could be on the ground, the rear axle could be up in the air. So we're going to show you how to flip it. So now we're going to remove the jack by lifting the front of the trailer as high as we can. We're going to remove the jack leg out from underneath the trailer, just so it gives a ton more room to go closer to the ground. So if you lower the tongue, it's going to start to equalize the hangers and shackles. So then you'll see the shackles wanting to flip on their own. If the shackle doesn't flip all the way, which in this case it did, just tap it. So once you tap down one side, walk over to the other side, tap it down as well. If the pounding with the hammer doesn't work, get a pry bar, put it in here. And that's it.